guys and girls, today we're gonna see how to make the Mimosa cocktail. Of course, the healthy way. So, normally the Mimosa cocktail is made with champagne with orange juice mixed together. A little bit of orange juice and mostly champagne. In my case, in the healthy cocktails, we'll do soda water. This is soda water with salt, because it's salty because it's a natural gas, so it has full of minerals. It's very good for you. That's why I chose it. But you can also do it with no salt soda, which is a unnatural gas. In this case, is natural gas, which is for me very important. Then fresh orange juice, lime juice. It will be half of a lime, and 10 grapes, because champagne is made basically with grapes, and uniquely with grapes. Let's see how to do it. So, let's try this Mimosa the healthy way. I like very much the Mimosa decoration. It's very nice, very gently. This is orangey yellow. It comes back here. You have the green. It's beautiful. Let's try now this Mimosa. Smells orange, that's good. It's delicious, very much balanced. The salt of the Vichy Catalan, you don't feel it. So you really can use this soda water, the natural soda water. It really makes a difference healthy wise. And it's a very refreshing cocktail, full of amazing good vitamins, and I will recommend you to try it. Cheers. See you next time.